Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare a best detox drink that will boost your immunity. We are going to use cucumbers, lemon, ginger and mint for this. Before going into the recipe, first we'll see the ingredients and details. First the ginger. Ginger is a good source of vitamin C, and along with vitamin C, it has folate, potassium, magnesium, sodium and choline. It helps in digestion and more importantly, it alkalizes your body and burns your fat. It also boosts your immune system, detox your body and keeps your kidney healthy. Our next ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber is rich in vitamin A, B1, B6, C and D, and it also contains folate, calcium, magnesium and potassium. Cucumber is very helpful in hydrating your body. It helps in digestion, removes toxins from your body, and it also regulates the body temperature and the blood pressure. Our next ingredient is, not surprisingly, lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium and potassium. Benefits of lemon includes boosting our immune system, aids in weight loss, purifies and regulates the liver, and very importantly, it is anti-inflammatory. Our final ingredient is mint. Mint is rich in vitamin A, fiber, iron, magnesium and folate. Looking into the benefits of mint, it helps to relieve indigestion, improves cold symptoms, masks bad breath, powerful antioxidant and reduces fever. These are the ingredients we are going to use, and now let us start doing a detox drink. I'm using 1 liter of water here. Take 1 liter of water. Let us take few mint leaves, half of a cucumber, you can slice it. Take a lemon and slice it. Next is a small piece of ginger. You have to remove the skin and cut it into small pieces. Now let us drop everything into the water. Now we have to wait for the ingredients to get infused in water. This needs around 5 to 6 hours, or you can leave it overnight. If you are keeping this overnight, you have to drink this within next day. Unless otherwise you refrigerate, this won't stay good for more than a day. Do try this for at least a month. You will definitely notice a change not only in your body but also in your skin. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.